Good morning, students. Welcome to English composition class. Today we are going to learn about poster making. So let's start. And before starting, students, please note you have to write down all the points and the examples given here in your composition notebook. So let's begin with the introduction for poster making. Posters are displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Now you might have seen posters displayed on the roads or in public places which have some announcements or contain some advertisements. Can be spotted on the bus stops. Many times you have seen the posters on the bus stops also. Public or private buildings, school notice boards, colleges, offices, vehicles, etc. Many times we see the posters on public or private buildings, and many times we have noticed on the school notice boards, colleges, offices, and vehicles also carry the posters. Posters are used by advertising agencies, filmmakers, various clubs, hospitals, etc. Now, who uses posters? Posters are used by advertising agencies and filmmakers, means the people who make film. Various clubs, many clubs also publish posters, hospitals, etc. These people use poster to publish something. It is used to communicate with people. What happens now? Why is poster made? It contains the information which is to be conveyed to the people. So it is indirectly used to communicate with the people. Continuing with the introduction, posters are brief and attractive. Posters should always be brief and attractive. Posters can be used for various purposes such as seeking support, many times to seek support, to gain support of public. We make posters, spreading awareness, to spread awareness regarding something. We can use poster, giving warnings, advising and announcements. If you want to give warnings or advise someone and do some announcements, posters are very helpful. Coming to points to be kept in mind. While making a poster, which points you will keep in mind? The first one is use minimum and effective words. You will try to use minimum and effective words and frame the poster. Try to make it attractive and eye-catching. As we learned earlier in the introduction, that posters should be brief and attractive. That is, it should hold the attention of the reader. That is, it should be eye-catching. The name of the individual or the organization issuing it should be clearly mentioned. The most important point is who is issuing this poster. This poster is issued by whom? That is the name of the individual or the organization should be clearly mentioned, whosoever is issuing the poster. The next point is it should be neat. That is, it should be presented in a neat and clean way. Continuing with points to be kept in mind, the message should be clear. You should not write a confusing language. The message which you want to convey to the people or to a group of people, you will mention it in a clear way. Highlight only important issues or issue. You will highlight only important issues or issue. If any single issue is to be highlighted, we will highlight that. You will use slogans, single or short words. Sometimes we use slogans to attract people and it should be short, and if you are writing any verse, so it should be of single line or it should be short. Observe word limit. This is the most important point. That is, when you are making poster, you should observe your word limit should not exceed 50 words. That is, a poster is made using 50 words, usually made with 50 words. The last important point is always place poster in a box. That is, you will frame the poster always in a box. As in notice writing, we make a box. Same way in poster also we have to make a box and write the matter inside it. So let's start with the examples here. These all examples you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, the first example which is given here is your school is going to organize a Diwali fair. Okay, your school is planning to organize a Diwali fair. Design a poster to inform about various activities concerned with it. Ask them to participate in the fair. Now you have to design a poster and you have to inform about the various activities which are related with this Diwali fair, and you will ask them to participate in the fair. Okay, let's see. First you will draw a box and you will write in the center Modern School Gandhidham. As your school is organizing, you will write the name of your school. Okay, Modern School Gandhidham invites one and all to come and participate in its grand Diwali fair. Now you will have to frame these kind of sentences which should be attractive. Grand Diwali fair in the school lawns on 25th and 26th October 2020. Timings are 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now this way you will keep everything in center so that the group of people or the students, those who are reading it, will directly pay attention at the center. Next is 2 days of fun filled activities. Now we are attracting students by saying that 2 days of fun filled activities are there. Which are they? Snack stalls, amusement rides, sale of diyas and candles, rangoli making and diya making competition. The last attractive thing is lucky draw. Now we have mentioned this fun-filled activities so that the students are attracted and are ready to come and participate in this fair. And some competitions are also mentioned due to which the students will be ready to participate. Also the lucky draw will attract them. Okay. So at last you will write student entry free. That is, student's entry will be free on showing ID card. That is I-card. And the last important thing is by whom it is issued. It is issued by your school. So you will write at last issued by Modern School Gandhidham. And we have highlighted this. So important issues we can highlight, important words we can highlight, and always place a poster in a box. Okay. Let's have a look at the next example. Question second is, as a president of the Residents Welfare Association of Mayur Colony, Delhi, design a poster in not more than 50 words for promoting cleanliness in the surroundings of your colony. Now what is given in this? You are a president of the Residents Welfare Association of Mayur Colony, Delhi. You have to design a poster in not more than 50 words. As we have learned, that poster should not be of more than 50 words. And this poster is to be designed for promoting cleanliness in the surroundings of your colony. So here, first we will make a box, or you can write the matter first and make the box at last, but don't forget to make the box. So first in the center we have written cleanliness promotion campaign. We are starting a campaign to promote cleanliness. Okay. Keep your colony clean. See, we have used here slogan, keep your colony clean. Cleanliness of the colony is the duty of each one of us. Here we have informed them that cleanliness of the colony is a duty of each one of us. Next comes on the left hand side, advantages of clean surroundings. Why we are promoting cleanliness? What happens if the society is clean, if the surrounding is clean? See, there are some advantages mentioned here. Safety from diseases, okay, then looks impressive. If the society is clean, everyone will be impressed. Civilized way of living. This will show that we are civilized. We follow a civilized way of living, a disciplined way of living. Then is good for healthy environment. If we want pure air, we should keep our surroundings clean. So this will be good for healthy environment. The next is good example for others to emulate. That is, others will also try to do something better by seeing cleanliness in the surroundings. Now, here we have taken a slogan, that is, let us get together for a cleanliness drive. That is, we are telling people to come together for achieving a clean and green society. And at last we will write, issued by Residents Welfare Association, Mayur Vihar, Delhi. This you will be getting from the question itself, that who has issued this. We are the president of Residents Welfare Association of Mayur Vihar. So at last we are writing Residents Welfare Association, Mayur Vihar, Delhi. And designation, who is issuing this? President of Resident Welfare Association, that is RWA in short we have written. Don't forget to make a box and place the matter inside the box, okay? So with this we complete example 2. Next example is, prepare a poster in not more than 50 words on kindness to animals to be displayed in the city at public places, appealing to people to show kindness to animals. Here you have to prepare a poster, not more than 50 words, and the topic is kindness to animals, which is to be displayed. This poster will be displayed in the city and at public places, which will be appealing to the people. This poster should be framed in such a way that it appeals the people to show kindness to animals, okay? You are secretary of the Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Now you are secretary of the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Delhi. So keeping this in mind, your position and all, you will design a poster. So here we begin the poster. The first line we will write, be kind to animals. That is the heading of the poster. With this you can design that, be kind to animals. This will appeal to the public, okay? Be kind to animals. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. That is, we are saying public that any act of kindness, no matter how small it may be, कितना भी आप काइंडनेस करें और कितनी छोटी सी भी काइंडनेस करें, कभी वेस्ट नहीं जाती. Any help, any small help will be always useful. It is never wasted. So this we have taken as a slogan. Animals are living creatures too. And animals are also living creatures. They also have the right to live peacefully. Do not deprive them of right to live peacefully. Okay, we should not take their rights to live peacefully. Now highlights we have taken. Respect life in all its forms. That is, any kind of life which is existing on this earth is important as we consider our life to be important. So we should respect every creature. We should respect life. Do not treat animals with contempt. You should not treat animals with contempt. Do not behave like a beast. Don't behave like a beast, okay? That is, you are trying to kill animals for their meat, hides, bones, etc. Being cruel to animals. If you are being cruel to animals, this is a sign of a weak mind. If you are weak by mind, you will be cruel to animals. And it is going against our religion. If we look at it religiously, it is also going against our religion, because our religion never teaches us to be cruel to anyone committing a crime. And also it is a crime to kill animals or to be cruel to animals, to harm them. With this, we have taken all the important points which will appeal to the people, which will affect the people on their thinking also. Issued for public awareness. That is because we are writing for public, we are appealing the public. So we have taken issued for public awareness by secretary, as we were given in the question that the secretary is issuing, and the secretary is for what? Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Delhi. Place is Delhi, and the name of the organization is Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Okay, with this we complete this third topic also, and we have to place it in a box. Remember that poster is always placed in a box. So with this we complete all the topics of poster making. Now let's have a look at the worksheet which you will have to do in your composition notebook. Do all these examples in your composition notebook. The first one is design a poster in about 50 words to create awareness among the people of your city on the importance of traffic rules. Okay, you have to design a poster and you have to create awareness among the people for the importance of traffic rules. The second one is fireworks and crackers are known to create pollution during festivals. Now, as you know that fireworks and crackers create pollution during the festival time. So, as an environmentalist, design a poster in about 50 words to create awareness of the ill effects. You will design a poster and you will write all these ill effects of using these things, fireworks and crackers, which do pollution. And you are an environmentalist, so keeping that in mind, you will have to design a poster. Okay. With this, we complete poster making. We will meet soon in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.